Hey guys, welcome to AptiPro. In this video, we'll be discussing about direction sense test. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, the link is provided on the top right corner. Go check it out. We'll solve few problems in this topic. First, a man is facing west. He turns 45 degrees in the clockwise direction and then another 180 degree in the same direction and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Find which direction is he facing now. So first, the man is facing in the west direction. Next, this is clockwise direction, and we also know that the angle between a main direction and a cardinal direction is 45 degrees. So he turns 45 degrees in the clockwise direction. Then he turns another 180 degree in the same direction. So he continues to move in this direction, that is clockwise direction, and for 180 degrees. This is 45 plus 45 plus another 45 plus 45. So totally it is 180 degrees. Afterwards, he moves 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is anti-clockwise direction. So this is 45, this is 90, 135, 180, 225 and 270 degrees. So now he is facing in the southwest direction. So the answer is southwest. Moving on to next question. If you are facing northeast and move 10 meters forward, turn left and move 7.5 meters, then you are. So first, the person is facing in the northeast direction. So this is the northeast direction. He moves 10 meters forward. And then he turns left. And he moves 7.5 meters. So this forms a right angle triangle. To find AC, we use Pythagoras theorem. AC is equal to square root of 10 square plus 7.5 square, that is square root of 156.25, which gives 12.5 meters. And also he is in the north direction from the initial position. When you compare his destination position from the initial position, he is in the north direction. Moving on. One day, Ravi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards, then turned right and cycled 5 kilometers and turned right and cycled 10 kilometers and turned left and cycled 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? So let us start. So one day Ravi has left home and he has cycled 10 kilometers southwards. So this is his initial position. So he has reached here after 10 kilometers. Then he turns right. And then he cycled for 5 kilometers. And again he turns right and cycles for 10 kilometers. And then he turns left and cycles for 10 kilometers. He turns left and cycles for 10 kilometers. So this is his destination and this is his initial position. They have asked how many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight. So the answer is AE, which is AD plus DE. Also, ABCD forms a square. So AD is nothing but BC. That is 5 kilometers. So AE is equal to 5 plus 10, which gives 15 kilometers. So Ravi has to cycle for 15 kilometers to reach his home straight. Moving on. A child is looking for his father. He went 90 meters in the east before turning to his right. He went 20 meters before turning his right again to look for his father at his uncle's place 30 meters from this point. His father was not there. From there, he went 100 meters to his north before meeting his father in a street. How far did the son meet his father from the starting point? So let us break the question. And now, a child is looking for his father. He went 90 meters in the east. So this is the east direction. So he goes 90 meters towards east direction. And then he turns right. Then he moves for 20 meters. Then again he takes a right and moves for 30 meters. So his father is not there. So he goes 100 meters to his north. So which is north direction? This is north direction. So he moves 100 meters towards north. How far did the son meet his father from the starting point? So we have to find the distance between A and E. Let us consider this intersection point as O. Now OBCD forms a square. OD is equal to BC is equal to 20 meters. Also OB is equal to CD is equal to 30 meters. Now this is 20 and this is 30 meters. I'm sorry, OBCD forms a rectangle. Now AB is given as 90 meters, but we want AO. AO is equal to AB minus OB. That is 90 minus 30, which gives 60 meters. Then OE is obtained from ED minus OD. ED is 100 and OD is 20, which is 80 meters. So from Pythagoras theorem, AE is equal to square root of 60 square plus 80 square, which gives 100 meters. So the answer is 100. Next question. Deepak moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. He then turned to the left and walked for about 25 meters, turned left again and walked 80 meters. Finally, he turned to the right at an angle of 45 degrees. In which direction was he moving finally? So let's start. So Deepak moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. So this is his initial position. Then he turns to his left and walks for about 25 meters. And again he takes a left and walks for about 80 meters. Now he turns to the right at an angle of 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees and he turns towards that direction. In which direction was he moving finally? Compare his position with the direction. So his direction is along southwest direction. So the answer is southwest. Pause the video and solve this problem and post your answer in the comment section below. Also, try this problem and post its answer in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.